All right, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you what it was that you were supposed to do on this worksheet, okay? So the first thing you're supposed to do is to find the mode, median, and mean. So then I told you to go to Desmos. And then you open up your Desmos. And I wrote this on the board and I said, create a set. And so you type in D equals bracket. And you type in the numbers. And you have to be very careful that you don't miss a number. So in this case, it would be 5, comma 6, 7, 4, comma 4, comma 4, comma 7, 5. It's another 7, 5, 4, 7, 7, 6, 6. Okay. Once you're sure that you have the correct sequence in there, all you have to do is type in mean. I'm sorry, Miss Patrick, I'm recording it. And then all you have to do is type in mean, and it gives you the mean. So for those of you that don't have the mean on your paper, this is all we had to do. So over here, you just type in mode equals, median equals, mean equals. So for the mean, we have 5.6. For the mode, you have to look at which number repeats the most. And in this case, we have that the 7 appears 5 times. So the mode is going to be 7. For the median, you go back to Desmos, and this time you use the function stats. And it gives you this information. Now, for those of you that wrote down the minimum and the maximum, notice how the question wasn't asking us for the minimum or the maximum. It just shows that you weren't paying attention to what the question is. The question wants the median, which in this case is 6, and it also wants the lower quartile, which is Q1, upper quartile, which is Q3, and the interquartile range, which is IQR. Okay. All right, so Q1 is equal to 4. Q3 is equal to 7. All right, and then for the IQR, all you have to do is do Q3 subtract Q1. So in this case, it's 7 minus 4, and it's going to equal to 3. So these should have been the answers. And notice that because I was explaining what I was doing, that's why it took me a little bit longer to get the answers. Now, I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. Mode, median, mean. Q1, Q3, IQR. Okay. Do I still want you to write down how to do it correctly is what you're asking me? I would say yes. But ultimately, it is your choice if you want to learn how to do it correctly, okay? Because it is April. I was already smart. All right. So for this one, what you need to do is change. Once again, okay. Second period, let's take it as a joke. Here we go. All right, so I'm going to go in and very carefully delete the numbers in my set. Then I'm going to put in the new numbers from my new set. So that's a 2, 4, and a 9. 2, comma, 4, comma, 9. Then it's a 7, a 5, and a 3. Then there's 2 7s. There's a 6, a 3, and a 5. And I do this because it's easier for me to remember like 1 or 2 numbers. And then if I always follow the pattern, I kind of know where I'm at. 7, 5, 9, 5. So 7, 5, 95. And if I do this, everything just automatically resets. And I don't have to type anything else anymore except maybe get the answers. And at this point, let me see what information I have from here. So it looks like I have the median. The median is 5. It looks like I have the mean. Please don't have a conversation when I'm explaining this to you. Once again, please don't have a conversation when I'm explaining this. 5.6. Q1 is 4. Q3 is 7. And the IQR, once again, is not going to be given to you. It's going to be subtracted. So I wonder if there's an IQR function. So I'm going to double check, okay? Oh, I can't click on it. This is terrible. Please stop. All right, we'll do it like this. I don't see one for the interquartile range. So yeah, you're gonna have to calculate it. Okay. So you're just gonna have to, you don't have to remember because it's in the formula sheet. So it's gonna be in this case 7 subtract 4, which will give you 3. Oh, the mode is gonna be the one that appears the most. Now, which number appears the most? I think it was 7 because 7 appears 4 times, but 5 also appears 4 times. And since it's a tie, both of them are the mode. So the answer should be 5 and then also the 7. So it has 2 modes.